You know what that is behind me? They call that Monkey Mountain. There's monkeys up there. And I bought bananas. I'm gonna feed monkeys bananas.
Just let me be a monkey.
You're not a monkey. You're not a monkey. Oh, you're so cute. You want a banana? There's the golden Buddha of Hope. The magical mountain Buddha guarding all. Are those cactuses? Is that the cactus fruit? I'll climb it and eat it. My buddy was telling me that there used to be a restaurant down here, and I guess they didn't realize it was Monkey Mountain, and all the monkeys would just come down and steal food off people's plates, and they're just like, I just paid $7.99 for that. So we got a magical stair climb up to the top here. Very interesting. I'm nervous. Like, what's a monkey? Once one monkey senses that I have bananas, what's the group gonna do? I actually saw my first monkey in the wild the other day, just walking up from the ocean. He just crossed the street in front of me. I was like, is that a monkey right now? They just live amongst the people here. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm not out of breath because I'm a carnivore. It's the heat. That sounds like a snake. I'm not at the top yet, but this is just one of the lookout points. There was horses there. Someone's riding a horse. Let's see if we can zoom in on the horsey. That's as close as we're getting. And that is the Gulf of Thailand. I believe the other side is Pattaya and all that shit. Bangkok up that way. Oh my god, there's monkeys. Oh, there's monkeys. Oh, he sees me. Oh, he's coming right for me. Is this a warning? Oh my god, what's happening right now? Hey, buddies. Hey, little buddies. Hey. Are you smiling at me? Hey! No! 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 That was terrifying. That was terrifying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you eating that banana?
I'm just a monkey in a forest of love. I don't know how I'm supposed to feel. I wanna climb up a tree.
Don't you dare. No! God damn it. How dare you? I'm trying to get my lens cap for this thing. How dare you? As long as he doesn't take the camera, I guess that's a victory. Can I walk past you guys or what? We good here? That was scary. Why didn't you help me, cat? You could have defended me. My heart's pounding. That was the scariest thing I've ever had happen to me. A wild monkey. Even though they're like tame and humanized, they're used to seeing humans, he just walked right up to me. The other one smiled. He was polite. He sat down, he smiled at me. And I was like, okay, I'll give you one banana, and I'll give your friend a banana. But he just took the whole thing. Is that another monkey? I'm scared to death. Oh, there's monkeys. Oh my god. There's monkeys. I came up here to see the monkeys. Why am I shocked? At least that's a little one. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Okay, let's get the slow motion out. Hey, little monkey. Monkey boy.
I wanna climb up a tree to escape, but I don't know if anything is real. I'm just a monkey in a forest.
You want one?
There's a tiger looking at me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I was a monkey in the forest. Tigers though, I was a monkey.
There's monkeys.
In the forest.
You're a monkey. You're a monkey. You have a tattoo? You're a monkey. Go monkey.
I was a monkey in the forest.
Oh my god. Little monkey.
I was killed by a tiger.
There you go, buddy. Here. I'm way more scared than you are. Look at this little monkey. Here. No, you already have one. I want to give one to the little monkey. He's a little monkey. Here, little monkey. Here, little monkey. Here. Here you go. Ah, shit. Old Wilbur here. Old Wilbur got it. I got 2 more monkeys. Oh, here's the alpha male.
He ate my body, my monkey body, my monkey body.
Oh, here you go.
He fed his babies, my monkey body. How you feeding your babies, my monkey?
My heart. That's so exciting. I was so afraid. Like, they were so gentle though. Each one of them just like took it instead of like swatting it out of my hand. There's a bunch of peanuts up here. How do I get to that mountain? There's another mountain. I thought that's what I was looking at. How do I get up there, monkeys? Oh, the monkeys. They're friendly. They leave you alone once they realize you ran out of food. Best 10 baht I ever spent. It's quite the view. I didn't realize there was a separate ocean thingy on that side. Condos, mountains, fresh air everywhere. Oh my god, that mama has a baby monkey under its belly. Oh my god. That's too cute. Okay, we got monkeys here. It's the zooming on the monkey show. Where are you going, little buddy? Oh, you found a friend. Is that your son? Oh my god, is that your son right now? The mama. There's the mama. But her babies. Yeah, turn. Oh, little baby. You got a little baby under there. What are they doing? He's checking his bum. Is your bum good enough? Yeah, checks out. I'll let you live. It's a whole monkey society. I'm in monkey land. There's another one close. Where is he? He's in the bushes stalking me. You're so cute. You're a monkey. What are you eating? Corn? That's what they feed them, corn. I bet they appreciated my bananas more. Easier to digest.
Why won't you let me be a monkey?
Hey, little monkeys. You're monkeying around. They're play fighting. Ah, monkeys. They're all chasing each other. Alright, it's really hot here. I'd like to go over to that mountain, but I think it's a separate route. Go check that temple out. Looks very temple-like. So temple-like right now. This is so hilarious, just chilling with monkeys. We're all just chilling here. How you doing, buddy? You look over here, damn it.
Why won't you let me be a monkey? Just let me be a monkey, so I can do monkey things.
Oh, King Monkey. He's on his throne. You're on a throne so hard right now. It's been a long day. He's stranded at sea. surrounded by jellyfish. It was bound to happen. Oh well, he lived a good life. Oh my god, a monkey spotted me. He spotted me. Looked like he was gonna come up here. I wish I had more food for you, buddy. I do not. Look at the camera. One last shot for dramatic purposes. You can do it. Yay! Alright, I think we're done here. We saw the monkeys. It's a much smaller mountain than I thought, but that was just so cool. We met monkeys. Monkey. I'm using my super zoom camera to film the outro. Oh god, that's bright. Oh, it's aging me. There we go. Fully protected. We're back on the Sony. You care. If you do care, I do have a camera comedy channel, Camera Conspiracies. I upload lots of videos there, at least 2 a week. You're missing some fun times over there. If you're not subscribed, I feel bad for you. I just want to make you laugh, help you out a little bit. So things are gonna get loud. We're done here. Thanks for watching the monkey video. Consider giving it a thumbs up if you liked it. Oh shit. Thumbs down if you paid $700 for a monkey massage and they just clawed your eyes out. It's a happening in town, this Hua Hin, I tell ya. It's looking good, although we may not be here for very long. Stay tuned. Alright, we're done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.
Can we fly? Can we fly?